Hello students, today we'll discuss retrograde amnesia. It is one of the type of amnesia. So what is it? It is inability to remember events and people from your past. You forget your past. You forget names, people, faces, places, etc. in retrograde amnesia. But you may be able to encode and memorize new things that occur after the onset of amnesia. You forget your past, but you are able to encode and memorize new things. Okay, so its symptoms include false memories, confusion, coordination problems. Likewise, false memories, we call it confabulation. So patient who is having retrograde amnesia, he may recall that he is having 4 children, but actually this is not the case. Sometimes he might not be able to recognize his wife. So these kind of false memories are there in retrograde amnesia. So these are some of the symptoms of retrograde amnesia. In this, episodic memory is affected in comparison to semantic memory, and we know what is episodic memory. It is your memory of personal experiences and specific events. That's why you forget your important names, important people that you know, faces, places, important milestones in your life. Likewise, your episodic memory of events, personal experiences, they are affected. But your procedural memories, they are not affected. And we know what is procedural memory? It is memory of skill memory, how to do things. That's why you are able to perform everyday functions quite easily. Okay. Now, important point. Next is a very important point. It is temporally graded, meaning your remote memories, your older memories, they are more easily accessible. They can be recovered than events occurring just prior to the trauma. This is called Ribot's law. What is, in other words, pattern of destroying your newer memories, your recent memories before older ones is Ribot's law. Information acquired recently is more impaired than information acquired more remotely. For example, if this event of retrograde amnesia suppose occur in the year 2020, so you are more likely to forget events from the years 2018, 2019, likewise recent. Then you are to lose memories from year 1980. Older memories, your older memories, they are preserved and they can be accessible, they can be recovered. But events nearest in time to the event that cause the memory loss, they may never be recovered. Please remember, they may never be recovered. This is Ribot's law. So why does it happen? Your older memories, they are strengthened, they are better placed in your long-term memory because connections are very strong. Neural pathways, they are of the neural pathways of your older memories, they are strengthened because of the process of reconsolidation. Reconsolidation has been occurred, and we know what is it? It is the process of reactivating your existing memories from the past. Older memories, they had been revised, they had been reactivated, they had been retrieved again and again. That's why they are better placed in a long-term memory, and they can be recovered, they can be accessible. Okay. And last, it usually results from damage to the brain areas most closely associated with declarative memory, such as temporal lobe. Temporal lobe is affected in this. And what we can do, while there is no actual cure for retrograde amnesia, but we can do one thing: we can jog the memory of the patients, of the victims. Jogging the victim's memory by exposing them to significant articles, significant events, significant episodes from their past. It can help, I think. So this can accelerate the rate of recall. So by jogging the victim's memory, by exposing them to significant and important events of their life, can help these victims. So this is what we mean by retrograde amnesia. In our next video, we'll discuss interrogate amnesia.